What's going on, guys? DJ here back with another video. Yeah, it's been a long time, around 1.5 months. Over there again, people. Back in the flesh, stronger than ever. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, guys, today we're gonna do a video. We're gonna unbox the new addition to the family. So yeah, guys, thanks to mother Taya Davis. Thank you again, mommy. Make sure you guys thank her in the comment section and go at our Instagram. Thank her some more. So thanks. You know you go. So yeah, guys, let's get into the video of the unboxing of the computer. Not a computer. A laptop. Yeah. A laptop. So this Gaelish. Go. Yeah, guys, we have it right here in a box. No, in a couple bag in the box. Cause we unbug it now, unbox it. Let's get. So yeah, I go unbox it now. So you can see. This is it right here. I can zoom in. Thank you. Zoom the right daddy. See? So yeah, guys, this is it. Can't throw too much information although I'm not too more. They are just like regular stuff still. Yeah. So I got pull this. Alright, it's kind of hard to pull, but remember, the where they go. You know where they go. You know where they go. So I'll be there show you guys this a search one because something here, so. You feel me? So we're there back. We have a little thing. Let's open it. Y'all never saw me at here, so here. You guys never see this. Much better, much better. Nothing to see here. So hey guys, look over here so now. I have it right here so in the box, guys. I'll take this out now. Right here. Yeah. I have some personal stuff in here, so I have the charger and them stuff here. Right here, so. But box right here, so you go and stand up and ding. So I got unbox this now. I'll do it just unbox. It did open already, of course, because you know I have to look for it and thing. So here we have it, guys. Right there. Looking all good and thing. See it, guys. HP. So hey guys, this is it right here. Looking all nice. Right there. Right there. No cap. Be looking good, guys. So we're gonna set it up and everything I know. And see what I'm going to feed. Yeah, so we're gonna set it up now. So I'm going to feed. You can't move me and kind of things there so you can't see. So I set it up and everything. I'll show you guys when we finish. It's gay. It's go. Yes guys, welcome back and then we're there again now. So we finish it up now, guys, and it there, so I charge now on the charger. Charger now. Cause you know, so when you buy things, you know, always full charge. Set a charge now. Can't make charge too long, you know. I gotta charge too long. So I charge it up now. Then yeah, me kind of finish it up, you know. But forget a couple more things sort out. Me have them the for the but it does lack of palm, so it's a one charge. So yeah, charge it now. Remember guys, like, comment, subscribe, share, comment videos that you guys want to see. And you guys know I'm back now, so you know say everything changed now. Wallet more videos coming, just piling up. I have wallet ideas up here, so whatever pranks, whatever challenges, videos. And yeah guys, just let's go. Wallet more things. Let's come guys. Wallet more fun. Whoever comes here guys, you know what to do is comment, like, subscribe, share. It's gay, it's go. We out. You know me, I love the peace, so peace. Let's go. We out. If you not get it yet, it mean let's go. Mean we are go in a video. Let's go. We out. Mean the video close. So yeah, let's go. We out.